This hidden folder is wasting your phone's storage, so delete it now. If your phone keeps showing storage full even after deleting apps, there's a good chance you're missing something hidden. Not a virus, not a system bug, but a silent folder that keeps growing in the back every time you use your phone. And the folder that we're talking about is cache. Now, cache memory is going to be the temporary files that your phone needs to run the apps, but it doesn't really delete them. It collects those junk files, data, deleted media, and leftover files, and mostly never checks it. So, to delete it, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your phone's settings. You're going to go to your storage, go to your apps, and once you're here on each app, you're going to check the storage over here. And any of the storage that's added in the internal storage is going to be your cache data. So simply go ahead and clear all of that cache on your Android devices for most apps because cache is memory you don't need. So once you've deleted this, you're going to go ahead and get rid of a lot of storage, and it's going to go ahead and make your device faster and much more performance heavy. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.